Hello and welcome to our New Year countdown. In a short while, we'll cross over live to locations in Hong Kong, Beijing and Taipei, where people are getting ready to ring in the new year. But first, let's take a look at celebrations in Sydney, a city that always sets the bar for spectacular shows.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Happy New Year!
Well, this year's fireworks in Sydney have been billed as the biggest and most advanced New Year's Eve display. The Australian city never disappoints with one of the best shows, if not the best show, every New Year's Eve. About 1.5 million people were out there with blankets and camping gear ahead of the big show over the Opera House, which began at 9 p.m. Hong Kong time. And now we're closer to home there, the IFC Tower, Times Square, Beijing, and the Taipei 101. Everyone's waiting for the big countdown. Of course, the highlight here will be a 4-minute fireworks display over 10 skyscrapers along the Hong Kong Island waterfront. That will be combined with a light show. So just a few seconds ago, Chief Executive Donald Tsang will be there for the show. It's estimated 400,000 people will gather on both sides of the harbour to watch. And there'll also be hundreds of thousands for countdowns at other locations. That's Times Square. The biggest party will be there. Up to 100,000 are expected, and it's a costume theme this year. Of course, there are lots of other party venues, Harbour City in Tsim Sha Tsui, Lan Kwai Fong, and the countdown is going to start very soon. Here we go. And there we have it, the fireworks display over IFC, the Hong Kong Island harbour front, and in a small window, Times Square. We've just finished the countdown. And this is in Taipei, the skyscraper there, the Taipei 101. The fireworks this time are supposed to be in the shape of a dragon going up the skyscraper. We're just watching Taipei there, and we're back at Times Square on the right and IFC. It's estimated about 400,000 people are watching this out in the streets tonight. hundreds of thousands in other locations as well. Countdowns, parties, Lan Kwai Fong. There are plenty of road closures to watch out for. And of course, for those trying to get home, the MTR will be running all night.
Happy New Year! Semi-final!
And that's the show for tonight. From all of us here at aTV News, Happy New Year. Good night.
For the first time, they are surprised.
Surprise, we're going to cook together.
The biggest challenge they've ever faced.
A C?
It's my first time.
Maybe C+, that's it.
Wow, I'm impressed.
Perfect.
To give her an A+.
Mom's Cooking, Thursday night at 8.